Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use productivity tools to save time at work, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the areas of your work routine that consume the most time. Make a list of tasks that you perform regularly. Research productivity tools that can help streamline these tasks. Consider tools for project management, time tracking, note-taking, and communication. Choose one tool to start with and create an account. Familiarize yourself with its features by exploring tutorials or user guides. Set up your workspace within the tool to fit your needs. If it's a project management tool, create your first project and add relevant tasks. Assign due dates and prioritize tasks to enhance your workflow. If using a time tracking tool, start a timer as you begin your work. Review your time logs at the end of the day to identify patterns. For note-taking tools, create folders or categories to organize your notes. Experiment with different ways to categorize your information for better retrieval. Set up reminders within the tool to help keep you on track. Use integration features to connect the productivity tool with apps you already use. Regularly revisit your list of tasks to assess if new tools could help further. Reflect weekly on your productivity using the tool to identify what works and what doesn't. Adjust your approach based on your reflections for continuous improvement. As you get comfortable, explore additional tools to cover other aspects of your workflow. Stay consistent with using the tools, as consistency builds a habit. Engage with online communities or forums related to the tools for tips and strategies. Continue to educate yourself about productivity techniques to enhance your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.